Celebration is going on for Leadership in Manufacturing podcast. We just had episode 100. Episode 101 is coming out really soon. I have awesome guests on. I have Tobi Cornell, Brunson, Maryellen Stack, Shane Zutz, Walter Tobin, and Akery. And they share really great insight and experience. You're going to learn so much. You're going to learn how to become a much better leader. Learn from mistakes. Learn from, what didn't go well. Learn from what's going really well. And learn about communication, about honesty, how to foster trust. There's so much. I have a long list. In the meantime, be sure to check out the website, leadershipinmanufacturing.com. Sign up for that newsletter so you are in the queue when we have a new episode that is coming out. Stay curious, keep learning. See you next time. Enjoy all the episodes.